Breaking here at 6 o'clock, the man in this viral video attacking a judge pleads guilty after that same judge testifies just hours earlier. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Denise Valdez.
And I'm Sasha Loftus. The judge telling the jury she thought she was going to die, and that appears to have swayed this man to end his trial. 8
News Now investigator David Charnes live in our newsroom with a dramatic testimony and also to tell us what's next. David?
Well, there were no less than 6 marshals in the room as Judge Holthus took the witness stand, testifying that she believed she was going to die that day. And her testimony appears to have swayed the man who did it, as he says he's guilty but mentally ill.
I remember him coming at me.
For the first time since a defendant attacked her in her courtroom, Clark County District Court Judge Mary Kay Holthus describes what happened to her. What happened as 31-year-old Deoba Redden dove over her bench, leading to an attempted murder charge, and Holthus now taking the stand. The key piece of evidence in the trial, the video, which both Redden and Holthus watched intently as prosecutors played it.
I just remember saying, help, help, somebody get him off. I mean, in my head, I was completely defenseless. He was so determined and so violent and so... It was scary. I didn't think I was going to get out of there.
But before Redden took his surprise plea, prosecutors had to prove he intended to kill. Holthus telling the jury he punched her and pulled her hair, saying she didn't think she'd survive.
There's a part of me going, I'll be dead. But I have 3 kids. They're going to watch. And that's what they're going to see. That's what was making me so mad. Not what he was doing to me, but what he would do to my family.
Holthus thanking her law clerk and the 2 other men who she says pulled Redden off her.
He continued going after me so forcefully and so violently that literally 3 or 4 healthy, strong young men couldn't get him off of me. It was so strong. They saved my life. I tell them that all the time. You guys saved my life.
Now, the judge in this case could sentence Redden to anywhere from 3 to more than 2 decades in prison. And that sentence carries extra time because Holthus is older than 60. I'm David Charnes, 8 News Now.
David, thank you. A plea of guilty but mentally ill means a defendant must prove they are mentally ill before sentencing. It also means a judge could order mental health treatment.